Stop it, will you? You need to go with spine, dude. We can tough it up, man. I've been ramming my head into stumps. I broke my toe. We can tough it up.
Yep.
I got badly burned more than once.
And you got freaking hit with poison ivy.
Yep.
Yep. Yep. That means no more of that.
Hey, when deposits leak, I'll dish it back to them tenfold. Not listening.
There you are. There you go. Not listening again, Clay. Yep. At least you didn't ram your head in a freaking hard-ass tire, bro. Or fell off the glass table like I have and ruined your back. Yep. Yeah, I remember, Clay, we've been through a lot more tougher situations than you have. Taking your tablet away is just a piece of cake. So you need to think about what you have done. Oh, you gotta remember, Clay, I'm my own guardian, so I can do whatever the hell I want. So, think about it. I don't get into trouble as much. I don't even do any of that. So, did Clay leave the room? Oh, good. I want to hear that whine again. Yep. Oh, remember, Larry, no music while. Oh, Larry, no more music, dude, because I'm recording. Because I get to record everything. Yeah, I remember, Larry. In my house, I record everything when everybody else is asleep or not here. Oh well. Eventually you get it back, but Not the way you're crying. Would you like to be nice to your aunt instead?
Yes.
Okay then, stop watching that crap. He's crying because he's crying. Be nice to your aunt and stop watching that crap that you watch. Watch something fun and educational. Watch whatever Larry's watching. Well, if I consider that fun and educational. I don't find that educational at all, so. Oh, come on, really? Why can't you watch actually something more realistic than that, bro? Watch some Dungeons and Dragons material. Instead of that Pokemon play stuff. What do you think, Butch? I've been watching too much Pokemon. That's awful rot your brain. I know. I don't consider that educational for some reason. I prefer watching DDD or Magic the Gathering content, or at least lawn-mowing content. Because watching this Pokemon cartoon doesn't help you learn. Just studying on a Pokemon. Jeremy and Jason's campaign is not the only one campaign there's mine, there's Ethan's. Why don't you just study about other campaigns? What do you think, Butch? Or Douglas there? Yeah, but we're trying to get him off of that, because there's other stuff with D&D that besides Jason's campaign. True. But I get tired of, every time I just talk to him, he's always zoning out on it. He's always zoning in on that Pokemon cartoon crap. I didn't cuss. Crap is not a cuss word. You know what I know else is a cuss word? Is shit. That I said it. And guess what? My content is no longer for kids. Like I said, if you're a kid, get the fuck away from the studio, dude. Yeah. I'm not upset with you, Frank. Talking to my camera. Yep. Because I'm recording. I'm recording everything we say and do. Which is basically Pokemon's not educational, it's a cartoon, sorry. Learning other stuff like D&D and Magic the Gathering content is educational. Learning Pokemon is one thing if you're actually playing Pokemon. But learning other people's campaigns is awesome. You should try that right now, aren't you? I don't know. I don't care about the world. I really don't care. I don't care about the damn world. I don't care about it at all. Since it never cares about me anymore, I want in life. Especially my family. Because my family is fucking lazy. Good for you. Your family's not lazy, so more you cry about it, more you whine about it, more nothing is going to get done in life. More you cry about your tablet, like people need to get off their phones and tablets anyways, so I'm off mine. Yep. I'm off mine for right now, so except for that. Oh, god dang it. I forgot one more thing. And some people say I have only a few dishes left. And I don't. Or crying and whining. Maybe, if you'd be nice to me. Yeah, you will. We're not wrong, YouTube. That people need to live life to the fullest. They need to start living basically their lives besides on fear itself. And always crying and whining about stuff. I don't. I don't cry and I don't whine. If I did, I'd probably yell at it. Maybe. If you be in a good mood, I will.